Hello, Bill Molyneux here for Bill's History World with none other than Goober, the Traveling Bear. And we are in Gloucester, Virginia at the Colonial Courthouse, 1766. I've made several videos. In the coming months, I hope to work with Robert Kelly, the great director here of Gloucester's museums and tourism stuff. And at some point, we may get to visit the interior of this courthouse. But right now, I've received so many different people requesting more detailed video of this that I have some time, and we're going to go ahead and hit the building. All right, the courthouse, County Gloucester, Virginia, re-erected 1766 on the site of building destroyed by fire. Restored, remodeled, and clerk's office building added in 1956. No weapons of any kind, and 113 people. So, on this side, the county courthouse square, historic district for this whole little village square. And it's a beautiful day today. Much better than some of the times I've been here. The Christmas tree was there during Christmas time. All right, let's take a walk and see what we can see. So, all right, so they have some work to do inside. They have offices, chairs, so they can have meetings in there. All right, let's go hit another window. So there is, I wonder where the judge sits. We'll walk around this side of the courthouse. Okay. So, here's where, now there's a neat Walter Reed plaque on the wall. Looks like there's several historic plaques inside. And of course, the gallery where all the spectators would be sitting to watch the court proceedings. Now, fireplace mantle has a sign, please do not touch. Let's go take a look from the other side. All right, and from this side, there are more plaques. So in the future, it'll be neat to find out what all these plaques state in because I can't quite read them. And we'll walk around some more, and I think that'll be it of checking out the old courthouse. Well, that ends my quick review of the courthouse. There's a lot of history in there. So when Robert Kelly, the director of these different museums in Gloucester, gets time in Gloucester, Virginia, hopefully we can get a video made of the interior and more of the history. And I also like to mention Civil War Congressional Medal of Honor recipient, Private James Daniel Gardner. 36 U.S. colored troops, September 16th, 1839, and he lived to 1905, September 29th. And he's the only Medal of Honor recipient for Gloucester, Virginia. All right, everyone. Thank you very much. Stay safe, be kind, and be courteous, and thank you for watching.